Get ready for an extraordinary natural phenomenon this spring. The cicadas are about to make a grand entrance. Billions of these fascinating insects are set to emerge from their underground habitats after more than a decade of dormancy. But don't worry and stay tuned, because I have an exciting tip to make the most of this cicada invasion. So be sure to stay tuned till the end, because you don't want to miss it. So what is all the buzz about cicadas? These remarkable insects are famous for their unique life cycles. Cicadas in North America are categorized into two main groups: annual cicadas that emerge every year, and periodical cicadas, which have a much longer life cycle of 13 or 17 years. This year, we're in for a treat, if you want to call it that, as both types are expected to emerge in large numbers. Periodical cicadas, often referred to as broods, are known for their synchronized emergence in massive numbers. These broods consist of different species that emerge in specific geographic regions, creating spectacular displays of nature's wonder. Each brood is identified by a number, with some of the most famous broods being brood 10, brood 8, and brood 9. What makes 2024 particularly special is the convergence of two major broods, leading to an unprecedented event known as dual emergencies. This rare occurrence only happens once every couple of centuries, and it is a testament to the intricate timing and synchronization of cicada life cycles. 2024 is a special year for periodical cicadas. For the first time since 2015, a 13-year brood will emerge in the same year as a 17-year brood. For the first time since 1998, adjacent 13 and 17-year broods will emerge in the same year. For the first time since 1803, brood 19 and brood 8 will co-emerge. You will also be able to see all 7 named periodical cicada species as adults in the same year, which won't happen again until 2037. The emergence of cicadas is not just a spectacle for entomologists and nature enthusiasts, it's also playing a crucial role in ecosystem dynamics. Cicadas serve as a vital food source for various animals, including birds, reptiles, and even mammals. Their emergence triggers a feeding frenzy among predators, contributing to the biodiversity and balance of local ecosystems. But what about the noise? Cicadas are famous for their loud buzzing and chirping, which can reach deafening levels during mass emergences. Contrary to popular belief, this noise is not produced by the cicadas' mouths or vocal cords, but rather by the rapid vibration of specialized structures called tymbals located in their abdomens. These vibrations create a symphony of sound that serves as a mating call to attract potential mates. Now, you might be wondering about the practical implications of a cicada invasion. While cicadas are harmless to humans, their sheer numbers can create temporary inconveniences. From clogged drains and littered sidewalks to noisy neighborhoods, dealing with a cicada emergent requires a bit of patience and understanding. But is this also another sign of the end of times, coming right on the heels of the April 8th eclipse? Cicadas have captivated human imagination for centuries, leaving their mark on history, mythology, and even culture. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, these buzzing insects have woven themselves into the fabric of human existence, serving as symbols of renewal, perseverance, and even transformation. Historically, cicadas have been revered and feared in equal measure by different cultures around the world. In ancient Greece, cicadas were associated with immortality and rebirth due to their remarkable life cycles, emerging from the ground after years of dormancy. They were often depicted in art and literature as symbols of resurrection, and the eternal cycle of life and death. While cicadas are not directly mentioned in the Bible, some scholars speculate that the Hebrew word tessera may refer to cicadas or a similar insect. The words appear in the Old Testament in Joel 1:4 and 2:25, but it has been translated as gnawing locust or swarming locust in many English versions. But some interpretations suggest that tessera could also refer to cicadas or other insects that emerge in large numbers and cause damage to crops. Additionally, in the Bible, God visited many plagues upon the Pharaoh for his refusal to release the Israelites from slavery. One of these plagues, the 8th, refers to Arba, which is believed by most modern scholars to mean locusts. However, there is much disagreement over whether the 8th plague was actually locusts or if it was cicadas, and the centuries between the original Bible oral recountings and the actual written Bible could have easily changed interpretations of many things. In addition to their symbolic significance, cicadas have also played practical roles in various cultures throughout history. In ancient Rome, cicadas were considered a culinary delicacy, enjoyed by the wealthy elite during lavish feasts. Please note, if you have shellfish allergies, don't attempt to eat them. Their distinctive flavor and crunchy texture made them a sought-after treat, enjoyed with wine and other delicacies. One of the most remarkable aspects of cicadas is their ability to synchronize their emergences with remarkable precision, despite spending years underground. This phenomenon, known as predator satiation, is believed to be an evolutionary adaptation to overwhelm predators with sheer numbers, ensuring the survival of the species. But cicadas are not just subjects of scientific inquiry, they also hold a special place in the hearts of many people around the world. Their rhythmic buzzing and chirping are often synonymous with summer, evoking memories of lazy days spent in the sunshine and summer evenings filled with the sounds of nature. And here's that tip to make the most of this cicada phenomenon. Invest in a chest freezer, whatever size fits your budget, and start collecting those cicadas. They make amazing bait for fishing. Store them in your freezer until you're ready to hit the water and watch as the fish go crazy over them. So prepare for the cicada invasion and don't forget to stock up on freezer space for some epic future fishing adventures. Who knows what other surprises Mother Nature and God has in store for us next. Okay, as always, you know I want to hear your thoughts. Is this massive emergence of cicadas another sign of coming changes in our world? Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.